Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 17. Where to buy lunch? Hi, could you help me find a place where I could buy some lunch?
Sure. What kind of food would you like?
I was thinking of pizza or something else Italian, maybe.
I know the perfect place.
Good. Where is it?
It's right past that last building on the left. Do you want me to go with you?
That would be great.
Glad you asked me to join you. This will be fun.
Man, I'm hungry. Do you know a good place to have lunch?
Yes, I know a great place. What types of food do you like?
Mexican, Japanese or Chinese would be great.
Oh, I know a place where you might like to eat.
Is it close by?
It's down a block on the right. Can I show you the way?
Okay, I love the company.
This will work out well. I'm getting hungry just thinking about it.
Let's have some lunch. Do you know of a great restaurant somewhere?
I'm hungry, too. What types of food sound good?
Maybe just a quick sandwich, salad, or something.
I have a great idea of where you might like to go.
Can we walk there?
It's on the second floor. May I join you?
Of course. Let's go.
Let's hurry. I'm starving.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Dan Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.